You ever walk into a room and forget why you went in? That's not just forgetfulness, that's your brain running on overload. But here's the truth. In 30 days, you can train your brain to think faster, focus deeper, and remember more, if you know what to do. Let's be honest. You don't need to be born a genius, you can train your brain to become unrecognizably smart. In just 30 days, here's exactly how. Step 1. Cut low-quality inputs. Your brain becomes what you feed it. Mindless scrolling, clickbait, short-form noise, it's killing your attention span. According to a Microsoft study, the average attention span dropped to 8 seconds, less than a goldfish. So here's the rule. Consume less, think more. Start with a daily 30-minute digital detox. No phone, no screen, let your brain breathe. Step 2. Schedule a deep thinking hour. Every day, sit alone, no distractions, one notebook, one question. What am I learning, and how can I use it? This technique comes from deep work by Cal Newport. It strengthens your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, focus, and long-term thinking. Even CEOs and elite athletes use this. Step 3. Train your memory, like a skill. Use the Feynman technique. Pick something you just learned. Now explain it in your own words like you're teaching a 12-year-old. If it sounds confusing, you don't understand it yet. Repeat until it's crystal clear. This one trick alone will raise your comprehension level fast. Step 4. Sleep like it matters, because it does. While you sleep, your brain clears toxins and locks in learning. According to Harvard research, poor sleep can reduce cognitive function as much as being drunk. So yeah, protect your sleep like it's your superpower. Do this for 30 days, and watch what happens. You'll think faster, speak clearer, and people around you will notice the shift. You won't just be smarter, you'll be unrecognizable.